Cap 26 here, just at Tips, Repairs, and Hobbies, and we're just painting this Colonial pistol and taking our time. This is what I do. This is what I like to do. I hope you enjoyed my videos, guys and girls. And I hope you're having a good day. So we're just moving along here with the brown paint. These kits come black powder, and you can actually put them together. You have, I think, I don't know if Dixie Gunworks is still in business, but that's a place that you used to get these from, and they're actually working black powder guns. And yes, you can own a black powder gun without a license. I'm pretty sure, but you can double check that. Never made one. Wanted to. Never made one. Never got around to do it. I don't know, maybe I'll make one on the channel. I don't know. We'll see if I can find a kit. You could probably find a kit on eBay, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. And some of them come already assembled too. You can go that route. Usually take I think a 50 caliber ball or 45 caliber slug or ball. And they make a lot of smoke with they don't actually use black powder, they use Paradox, and makes a lot of smoke. I used to have a 1858 Remington, I believe it was. I had a Ruger too. Oh boy, you get so dirty afterwards. You take a bath and all the black goes right down the drain, you know, after you go to the range shooting those. And they create a lot of smoke. They're pretty cool. They are pretty cool. You have to be careful though when loading them. The single one's not too bad, but the ones with the cylinders, you have to grease off the cylinders so that cylinders don't catch fire. And you shoot one round and then the next round can go off. That could be dangerous. So be careful of that. Read up on it if you're interested in it. And make sure you measure your powder out. Always measure your powder out. Just have a flask to do that. And for the ball, it measured out the amount of powder. And you just cut the powder off at the top with the flask. It's a measuring tool. It's not actually one of those flasks with a leather bag type of thing, like you see in the movies. This is a tool, a brass tool. You could look on Brownells. They have those. They have them there too. They used to have a lot of black powder stuff. I don't know if they still do. Again, I have to investigate Brownells, and I have to investigate Dixie Gunworks. It shows the octagon barrel. I thought it was interesting. I think the octagon barrel is really interesting. I don't know if they actually did. I think they did have octagon barrels. But we're just moving along here with the paint, And this is a miniature. I was gonna try to make it bigger, but my printer will not go the actual size. So I had to scale it down. You have to have one of those ginormous, really big printers to make actual size of this. I mean, some things it'll make it, but it'll make a mask and stuff like that on the printer. But not a pistol. Well, not a full-scale pistol. I tried to get it as big. It kept giving me errors. Too big, off scale. You know. Get right in there. I think, yeah, this is the octagon barrel. So this is it's not part of the barrel, I don't think. This is wood right here, so I'm going to paint that too. Up to here. And then I'm going to paint the barrel. Probably going to use a gold because I don't have a brass. This is all brass in here. Or they used to use silver. You know, a silver color metal. They used to pour their castings to make these. They made a mold, a sand mold, and they pour the casting in. And then afterwards, they would file all the rough edges out to make the lock, you know. Quite, you know, the work that was involved making one of these, you know, the hardware part of it. I know I visited the coat factory, and they had all these houses. They were Dutch houses, and the Dutch would live in them, and they provided homes for the Dutch to make the firearms. You know, way back when. Really interesting. That was an interesting trip. Okay, so the stock is pretty well painted here. I missed on this side a little bit. Right in here. This is the push rod right here to slam the ball home with a patch. You put the powder and then a patch on top. Use the rod and slam the ball down with the patch. And you got one shot. I would want to be on the receiving end of that shot, let me tell you. God. I know some of you like say, well, where's the painting part, you know? Well, here's the painting part. I got the Phantom all done. So I'll be showing that next in a video. So keep an eye out for that. That'll be coming up real soon. Okay, so we're going to put that in there. We're going to take some wax paper. Wax paper is great. Lay it on the wax paper, let it dry. So you'll see this finished in another short. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000. 100,000 make me very happy. Share the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.